So guys, many of you have asked me whether you should use for Android development or iOS development, which is better for Laravel, Node.js or Django. But this is the thing I want to clarify you that backend doesn't matter. If you use any backend, it is really fine. If you are really experienced in Laravel for the backend of your application, you can use this thing. Or if you are really good in Django or Python based applications backend, then it is completely up to you. It is really amazing. You can do machine learning work with it and a lot of good processing, and you can apply lots of machine learning algorithm with it, and also you can make your own algorithm and implement on it. It's fantastic language. But when you want to make a very fast application, real-time application, chat application, streaming, real-time service, real-time chat, video audio callings, and very heavy task for huge amount of tasks, you should use MongoDB. And MongoDB works really well in Node.js application because it is a document collections model, and you can also make relations to those collection as well using the MongoDB aggregate framework. So make sure you learn that MongoDB aggregation framework. It is fantastic thing. So if you learn Node.js, what would be the perfect thing? You can learn React and Next.js very well, because React and Next.js is the ultimate thing that you have to know if you really want to make a very good quality applications, especially in the web development field. So those things are very important. So that's why I don't recommend all the people Laravel or Django just in the beginning, because they are different language compared to the JavaScript. But if you know JavaScript, you can work with Node.js and React.js and Next.js after that easily without any issues. Okay, so that's why it is more preferable. But if you are really good in other framework also, like if I always suggest you to learn Django, it is amazing framework, and many machine learning, AI and artificial intelligence algorithm. If you want to build any application or build any microservice, that is be the perfect thing. Okay, then you can implement it on your Node.js as well if you build a separate those microservice, no worries. But that's why I suggest Node, React, MongoDB is the best solution for many cases. Almost 90% of the cases this will do the work just fine. But after that you can learn Laravel or Django, whichever up to you, whichever you like. But this is mandatory. Okay, so this is the main guidance I want to show you guys. Okay, so really important. Node.js, you can do file compression, file processing, image processing, a lot of things, and do your work. So if you want to a single environment, single JavaScript environment, then you can be really efficient with your code. Okay, you can be really good in that, and you can make amazing product with it. So that's why I always suggest you to stick to JavaScript environment, so that you can get the most out of it in both front end and the back end as well. So I think you guys get a lot of idea about it. So till then, take care, bye bye.